Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. A warm good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to today's session. In the previous class, you studied in economics what is national income, three sectors of an Indian economy, and the objectives of calculating national income. Isn't it? I hope you could understand and study well. Today, we are going to discuss the remaining parts of the same chapter, national income. In this session, we are going to study some important concepts of national income and how to calculate the national income. Shall we begin? In the previous class, we have discussed the need for calculating national income. Now, let us see some important concepts related to national income. They are GNP, Gross National Product, GDP, Gross Domestic Product, NNP, Net National Product, and per capita income. Okay, these are some important concepts related to the calculation of national income. Let's see one by one. First, GNP, Gross National Product. GNP is an important concept of national income calculation. It is calculated on the basis of the final goods and services produced in a country. What is final goods? Anybody know? Okay. There are two types of goods, final goods and intermediate goods. Final good means goods and services produced for final use. Example, a shirt. Understood? Intermediate good means goods that are produced by one firm for use in further processing by another firm. Example, raw materials. The raw materials of shirts are what are? Cloth, buttons, and thread, etc. Okay, these are the intermediate goods. Understood? So, GNP is calculated on the basis of final goods and services produced in a country. Okay, for example, we produce shirts using raw materials such as cotton, thread, and buttons. Isn't it? Here, the shirt is the final product for consumption. The money value of final products is taken into account for calculating GNP. Understood? Another important concept of national income is GDP, Gross Domestic Product. GDP is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within the country during a year. What is GDP? The total money value of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory during a year. Here, income from abroad will not be included while calculating the GDP. Understood? It is the most suitable concept of national income to analyze the contribution of sectors in an economy. What are the sectors in an economy? Primary, secondary, tertiary. To analyze the contribution of these three sectors, we can use the GDP, Gross Domestic Product. For example, suppose an Indian firm operates in America. The profit of that firm not included in the GDP of India. That will be included in the GDP of America. Understood? So, I told you the GDP is the total money value of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory during a year. All of you understand? Another important concept of national income is NNP, Net National Product. Understood? NNP is defined as GNP minus depreciation. GNP means gross national product. Gross means total. Total national product. GNP minus depreciation is NNP. Understood? Then, what is depreciation? Anybody know? Okay. The reduction in the value of an asset over time due in particulars to wear and tear. That is depreciation. Understood? The cost incurred to remedy this wear and tear is termed as depreciation charge. What is depreciation charge? The cost incurred to remedy this wear and tear is termed as depreciation charge. For example, if you purchase a car spending 5 lakh rupees and sell it the next year, will you get the same amount while purchasing it? No. Suppose you get only 4 lakh. Here 1 lakh rupee is the depreciation charge. Understand? Oh. When we deduct depreciation charges from the GNP, we get net national product. That is NNP. Understood? GNP, gross national product, minus depreciation is NNP or net national product. The NNP is considered as national income. Understood? Another important concept of national income is per capita income. It also known as income per person or income per head. What is per capita income? Income per head or income per person. Each person's income, that is per capita income. Okay, it is calculated by total income divided by total population. How can we calculate the per capita income? Per capita income equal to national income. Total income means national income. National income divided by total population. We get the per capita income. Per capita income is also used to help to know the economic position of a country and to compare it with the other country. Understood? What is the need to use the per capita income? It helps to know the economic position of a country and to compare it with other countries. For that, we use per capita income. All of you understood? Dear children, what have we learned from today's session? Let's recall one by one. Today, we have studied some important concepts of national income, isn't it? What are they? GNP, gross national product, NNP, net national product, GDP, gross domestic product, PI, per capita income. Then what is GNP? GNP is the total money value of all final goods and services produced by a country in a year. In GNB includes GDP and net factor income from abroad. How can we calculate GNB? GNB equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Understood? Next, NNP, net national product. Net national product is the total money value of all final goods and services produced by a country in a year less depreciation. Understood? What is depreciation? Capital consumption expenditure or wear and tear expenditure. Okay. That is NNP equal to GNB minus depreciation. You understood? Okay. Next, gross domestic product, GDP. Gross domestic product is the total money value of all final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during a year. Okay, I already told you in GDP we are excluded net factor income from abroad. We are not included net factor income from abroad. Then how can we calculate? GDP equal to GNB minus net factor income from abroad. Okay, GDP equal to GNB minus net factor income from abroad. Okay, then how can we calculate GNB? GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Understood? Okay. The next, per capita income. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the income per head of the population. Per capita income is calculated by dividing national income by population. Okay, per capita income equal to national income divided by population. All of you understand? Okay. I hope all of you have understood today's class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a cheerful day.